Hello everyone. The title of the topic today is environmental concerns related to the use of digital technologies and devices. This is part of the Unit 15 GCSE Computer Science, Ethical, Legal, Cultural and Environmental Concerns related to the use of digital technologies. The main key term to understand is e-waste. This is any waste created by electronic devices that have been thrown away and waste and substances created in their manufacture and use. The concept, unfortunately, e-waste is a huge problem around the world because we are throwing away our old technology not because it doesn't work, but simply because it has been replaced by newer versions, by newer technology. This generates around 3,700 Eiffel Towers of e-waste every year, and we must recognize that is a major problem around the world. The main issue with the e-waste is that it contains heavy metals such as lead, arsenic, mercury, cadmium, and this can get into the soil and water supply, affecting people's health. As a result, more developed countries have introduced strict regulation to prevent e-waste being dumped into landfills. And even better, some electronic components now are being recycled. Unfortunately, e-waste is sent illegally to third world countries, harming the local population, landfills taking up large areas. The doing. First of all, I would like you to suggest possible solutions for disposing of e-waste safely and reducing e-waste. Another effect of computer system on the environment is the sheer amount of electricity used to power up the billions of computers around the world, and the sheer amount of data we are generating each year through the rise of social networking, handheld computers, mobile devices, and these are led to much higher daily use of electricity. Furthermore, data centers around the world, these are the data centers containing tens of thousands of servers, are used to store, process, and distribute that data. These data centers use a lot of energy to run the servers, which in fact generate a lot of heat, which requires even more power to manage. At the moment, data centers use about 4% of the global electricity supply and is estimated to treble in the next decade. This will have a huge impact on greenhouse gas emission. And as you can see here, it is estimated that 40% of total energy consumption will be due to the use of digital devices. So your second task would be to describe the negative impact of energy consumption due to the use of digital devices and storing the data in this huge data center. I would like you to explain the effect of power consumption needed by the data center on the environment. And finally, this is your flipped learning tasks. First of all, I would like you to investigate some examples, such as the largest e-waste dump in the world and how they managed to dispose of e-waste safely. A very interesting example is the Amazon's massive data center, where they have around 50,000 servers, which are powerful computers, which need to be cooled down, need to be powered. They actually build their data center next to a lake in order to pump the water from the lake and cool down all these servers. Another interesting example is Facebook, which is using renewable energy to power all their data centers. Then I would like you to create a presentation. You could use PowerPoint or Google Slide, where you'll have to suggest possible solution for disposing of e-waste and reducing e-waste. And I'm very interested there to see you are using the 3 R's: reuse, reduce, recycle, and you're going to explain legislation related to disposing of e-waste safely. Then I would like you to explain the effect of power consumption needed by the data centers on the environment, and research and describe an example of your choice of a company using green energy to power their data center. I'm looking forward to see your outcome, your presentation, when you are back in the class.